Hey, Matt here at 911R. We have this 70 911 Targa that's ending up today. I just wanted to do this quick walk around so you can kind of see the condition and talk about this car. It is selling no reserve, so highest bidder's winner. So this car was repainted in the the 70s in the Viper green. It was originally, I believe, Albert blue. It was a dark blue from the evidence I could find looking around the car. But the paint on the car actually looks really nice. It is older respray. Some parts of it have been touched up over the years, but I think it looks really good. But coming around the car, you can see, a long hood car. You got the original orange bar badge on it. That alone is very rare and hard to find anymore. Nice Fuchs wheels with polished pedals, good Yokohama tires. Somebody's upgraded and put the later mirrors on it. You can take those off and put your stock mirrors on if you wanted. The Targa top on it is actually really good. It's original, looks good. The bright work around the car is good. It's got a new windshield in it. It's got a Momo Black Series steering wheel. Got Recaro leather seats with green piping. The door pockets and everything are all there and complete. Blaupunk stereo. Let's keep coming around here. The seals, the window, the stainless steel Targa bar is nice on it. You can see the paint's got a decent luster to it. It looks good. But there is things like, seals are starting to get chipped out and tired. Let's open up the engine base and take a look at it. In here, looks nice and complete and correct. Right air box. The fluids have all been changed in, the valves have been adjusted in the car. Got a Porsche oil filter on it, Porsche Classic oil filter on it. The chain boxes have been resealed in it, new belt on the car. It starts up and runs really nice. It's got good power. You can see from the video, it kind of rips pretty good. These older carbureted cars have some little bit of popping and buzzing type sounds to them, but it's just how they are. But this car is a complete car. Again, coming around, you get the chrome tip on it. It's got the S trim body moldings on it, S trim lower body rockers on it. And back up and see the Momo steering wheel. You got the green matching Porsche key tag, so the guy must have loved it enough for that. But again, no reserve. This is a great car to get in if you're looking for a long hood to play with and fix up and do what you want. Be a great car to make an outlaw, or just you can take it back to all stock. Either way, it's a very enjoyable, cool early 911. Thanks a lot.